Hi friends, welcome on my channel. So today I'm going to start a new course that is related of a SQL concept. Okay. So in this course, I will teach you how you can add the SQL query and what is the meaning of order by, group by, and having. So I will teach you from beginning to end. So before that, you have to install one software where you can do the practice. So this is the MySQL website. Okay, I will provide the in the description box this website link. Okay, and one more link also I will provide that will be related of how you can install the software in the system. And if you want to do practice online, so one more link also I will provide in the description box that will be related of an online platform where you can do the practice. So this is the online website. Okay. So this website link also I will provide in the description box. So that's all. So thank you for watching. In the next video, I will start a course from for that will be introduction. Okay. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel and please share in your friends circle. Thank you, thank you guys.